Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 18th episode about JavaScript basics. In the previous episode, we worked on the block scope. Today, we'll work on the for loop, while loop and do while loop. So, open the text editor, open the 18th folder, use loop with for, while and do while. Open start and main.js. First, let's work on the for loop. So add for. Inside this parenthesis, let's add the first statement. The statement would be declaring a variable. So let's declare a variable I and assign them a value. Let's say 0. Then add the condition. Let's say I is less than 3. Then we need a final statement, and this will be increasing the value of I by 1. So let's add I++. Then add console.log I. If you check the preview, we should see 0, 1 and 2. Let's see how it works. At the moment, the value of I is 0. 0 is less than 3. It is true, so it will log I, which is 0. Then it will increase the value of I by 1. So now I becomes 1. 1 is less than 3. It is true, so it will log I, which is 1. Again, it will increase the value of I by 1, so it becomes 2. 2 is less than 3. It is true, so it will log I, which is 2. Now again, it will increase the value of I by 1, so it becomes 3. 3 is less than 3. It is false. Now the for loop ends over here. So as a result, we should only see 0, 1 and 2. Let's check them in browser. Open the browser, open the developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. You can see 0, 1 and 2. Great. Now let's work on the while loop. When working on the while loop, we have to declare a variable first. So let's declare variable j and assign them a value. Let's say 10. Add while, and inside the parentheses add the condition j is less than 13. Add console.log j, and we want to increase the value of j by 1, so add j++. If we check the preview now, you should see 10, 11 and 12. Let's see how it works. At the moment, the value of j is 10. 10 is less than 13. It is true, so it will log 10. Then it will increase the value of j by 1, so it becomes 11. 11 is less than 13. It is true, so it will log 11. Again, it will increase the value of j by 1, so now it becomes 12. 12 is less than 13. It is true, so it will log 12. Again, it will increase the value of j by 1, so now it becomes 13. 13 is less than 13. It is false, so the while loop ends over here. As a result, we should see 10, 11 and 12. Let's check them in browser and we can see 10, 11 and 12. Now let's work on do while loop. We use this loop if you want to execute this loop at least once, no matter the condition is true or false. Let's get started. First, let's declare a variable number and assign it to a value. Let's say 20. Add do statement. Then at the end, add while and a condition. The condition would be number is less than 23. Inside the do statement, add console.log number. Then we want to increase the value of number by 1, so add number plus plus. Now, if we check the preview, we should see 20, 21 and 22. Let's see how it works. The value of number is 20. 20 is less than 23. It is true, so it will log 20. The number is increased by 1, so now it becomes 21. 21 is less than 23. It is true, so it will log number, which is 21. The value of number increases by 1, so it becomes 22. 22 is less than 23. It is true, so it will log number, and we can see 22. It will increase the value of number by 1, so it becomes 23. 23 is less than 23. The condition is false, so it will end the do while loop. So we should see 20, 21 and 22. Let's check them in browser and we can see them. Do while loop execute even if the condition is false. So now let's make a false statement. Here, change the value of number from 20 to 25 so that the condition would become false. So here 25 is less than 23. It is false. But even if the condition is false, it should execute once and show 25 as a result. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create a basic function. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.